The company Lobbe Industrieservice has been entrusted the job of cleaning the flue gas pipes and various tanks and machines in a chemical works in Duisburg at regular intervals. To carry out this task, the company deploys several of its own trucks, in which high-pressure water pumps from WOMA are permanently fixed. They provide the required quantity of water, the required pressure, and the multi-user connection so that several jet tools can be operated simultaneously from one truck. The large flue gas pipes run through the entire production plant. To be able to carry out the cleaning work within the short time for which the plant is shut down, 2 persons work simultaneously in the pipes at these WOMA pumps. The water quantity that is used to ensure that the incrustations that are detached by the water jets are reliably flushed right up to the collecting tank is 45 liters per minute. At another place in the plant, preparations are underway for deployment in a tank in which an acid is stored temporarily during production. For reasons of safety, the cleaning work in the tank may only be carried out while wearing a full protection suit with a breathable air supply. Here too, a WOMA pump ensures the necessary pressure and the quantity of water to reliably and thoroughly remove the deposits. Another deployment point is the room with the large fans in the ground floor of the plant, whose impellers also have to be blasted. Outside the plant, in the truck with the WOMA pump, preparations are underway for the work, and the pump parameters are being set for the imminent task. Then, cleaning work can begin here as well. The decisive factor in carrying out the complete cleaning work in the very brief window of time is the reliability of the high-pressure water pumps and the connected water jet tools, which is why many companies place their trust in WOMA machines. WOMA, water power as a tool for a clean environment.